In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your project using the Docs and Files tool, a crucial step for keeping your work neat and accessible. Imagine having all your project documents and files scattered everywhere. It's not efficient, right? So, let's dive into how you can streamline this process, making everything easy to find and manage. First things first, you'll want to go to the project you're currently working on. Once you're there, look for the Docs and Files tool. This tool is typically your go-to destination for storing anything you need for your project, from documents and images to important links. What we'll do next is create a specific space within that tool, almost like creating a dedicated shelf for your project needs. To begin creating this new organizational space, locate and click on the green plus New button, which you'll find at the top left corner of the Docs and Files page. This button is your gateway to adding something fresh and new to your project storage. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with several options. For now, you should select Make a New Folder. Think of a folder as a special compartment within your digital workspace where all related files are stored together. After selecting to make a new folder, your next step is naming it. This is crucial because a well-named folder will help you immediately identify its contents later on. Consider what you'll be storing in it, perhaps project reports, design assets, or meeting notes, whatever makes the most sense for your organization system. Once you've settled on a name, go ahead and click Save. Now you have a new, neatly labeled folder ready to fill with important files. Adding items into this folder is straightforward and can be done in a couple of ways. One way is to drag existing files, documents, or cloud links effortlessly into the folder. This is perfect if you have files scattered across your workspace that you need to consolidate in one place. Just click and drag. The process is smooth and intuitive. Another way to populate your folder is by uploading new files directly into it. To do this, make sure you navigate to your newly created folder first. Once you're inside the folder, proceed to upload your files straight into it, which saves you the effort of moving them later. And there you have it, a perfectly organized folder system within your project's Docs and Files tool. Following these steps will help keep your projects tidy and your essential documents readily accessible. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your productivity. Thanks for following along, and I hope this makes managing your projects that much easier.